It's easy to think that to reap a huge profit from investments, you'll need a lot of capital upfront to see your investments grow. While this is true to some degree, it doesn't mean that investing is only reserved for those who are rich and the wealthy. In today's digital and technology age, investing has now opened the doors to everyone, regardless of your income level. No matter how much you choose to invest, your investment will grow to a sizable profit someday. Investments come in all shapes and sizes, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the different types of investments you can make, regardless of your budget. Is investing only for the rich? Simple answer is no, but we'll take a deep dive on how you too can be wealthy beyond your wildest imagination. If you're willing to put time and effort into researching and studying how other types of investment works, then investing in the stock market can be a good medium investment.